Hello guys, today we have a review of this Silvercrest electric cleaning brush with interchangeable heads for flexible use around the home. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, I like the small one, but I want the big one. Lock it. Of course we have 4 batteries. Let's install the batteries. There's a case inside, and it shows you here how to install it. Put the A here, the plus, the minus here. Here we get the negative, and here we get the plus. Let's install it. Oh yes, it goes like here, that, and it locks again. Let's start it. It's like a vibrator. Let's see what is cleaning. Well, we've got here some dirt. Let's see how it cleans. The small ones for smaller areas. You have many things to clean with that. You can clean your oven, you can clean your tires of your car, you can clean something in your tiles. You see? It's cleaning very good. Inside the tiles. Oh, it's cleaning very good. I think that is a small review of what it can do. I'm sure you can find something to clean up. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.